Hello friends, it's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to another episode of how to create parametric columns in Revit. Okay, we have two types of parametric columns. We're going to start with the first one, then the preceding video will be the next one. Okay, first of all, let's start with the first one. Open up family. I want it to be generic model first. This is what I want first, and then open it up. I would like to create my column as a generic model. Okay, now what do? Let me create a sweep, or let me create an extrusion and then create a void sweep. Okay, nice, and pick line. Let me have an offset of 100. No, 100 is too small. Let me make it 2 or 150. This trim corner to extend. Good. I want this to stop at 150. I guess that's okay for me. And finish it up. Nice. Go to back elevation, or go to flow, create a void sweep. Now sketch path. Good. Finish. Click edit profile. Which one do you prefer? Let me go to right elevation. Okay, now let me create a bit of a profile to it, so whatsoever you feel like creating. Let me just leave the void sweep. I think the sweep is much more than the extrusion I did. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's looking fine. So now let's go for this. I have this. I want to create a mirror of this to somewhere reasonable. I don't really know the distance between the two. It's about 1700. Okay, now let me try something here. Let me offset it by 2500. The total create. Let me just create another plane. $2,500. Good. and align this to this. Okay, fine. So the next one is I would like to create a column within it. Just by basic extrusion, it's enough for me. Pick line, pick the inner part. Now it starts from 2000 to 2500 and stops at 2500. Okay, and that's finished. Let's go to my back elevation. I have this. Okay, so I would like to create some kind of design on this. So what do I do? Let me create a revolve, a void revolve. Okay, yeah, revolve. And let me have a distance a bit here. Let me get something like at 45 degrees. I think 15 should be okay. Good. A mirror. Detail is a bit tiny, but mirror. Where is the center? Here's the center. Good. Now pick, join the lines. Good. This place, and from here to here. Nice. Okay, big axis, I want it to be from here all the way down to this place. Nice. Finish. I have this as a void form, so go to my flow plan. It's at the middle. I would like to array it, let's say 2 here and 2 here. Let me say array last level array. Why is it telling me this? Set work plane. And then okay, array let me just copy it, since I don't know what's wrong with my array. Let me just copy it this way to about, yeah, what you will do, I guess what is going to do. Pretty sure 40 is going to work. It's a bit too much. Let me make it 30. Copy it this way, 30. Oopsie, I did not click on multiple. Copy it this way, 30. It's much more better. At least I should have a bit of precision. Mirror. Click on this, select the rest, mirror again, click on this. Nice. And I would like to rotate but create a copy. Okay, so we're going to change from here to this point. Okay, fine, we have this, and let's see it in our 3 dimension. I have something like this. as a column. You can see here's the details. Okay, so we have this for our column. Now go back to our flow. Let me open another family type. Now I can open the column family type. Family column, metric column. Okay, good. Import my family, which is family 1. No, not family 1. It should be family 2, I guess. Yeah, it is. Load it into family 2. Okay, I have it here. Press on it. Boom. We have our column inside this place. Okay, from here you can see, let me go to my elevation. I have this for the family, but I don't want it on the ground. I would like to move it upwards a bit for at about 150. Is 150 okay? Yeah, 150 should be okay. I want to create a base for it. Okay, so the base, I need an extrusion. Just basic extrusion is enough for me. Okay, just basic extrusion is enough. Use this as my reference. So I want this to stop at 150, not 59. Alright, 50 from 0. Nice, and then finish it up. Okay, here this is what we have. Now go to back elevation. Let me remove some things a bit so that it will look fine. Void sweep, got reference plane number 2, void sweep. Okay, sketch path, say rectangle. Nice, and then finish. Edit profile. I prefer right elevation. Okay, nice. So what do I have? I want to create something small, and then okay, let me just finish it up and finish it up. Good, we have something like this for our void. Nice. Okay, now let me align this to this and lock it. Now this to this, sorry, Control-Z, and this to the one outside and lock it. So the reason is because I want it to move. If I'm going to remove, I want it to move this way if I move it. So Control-Z. Okay, that's the reason why I have this in place. And now I would like to move this one. I would like to array it. So this, let me check the distance of this. I have this as 300. Okay, so let me create another reference plane, or should I just offset this reference plane by 300? Okay, offset. I guess I can offset the reference plane. And Just create another one and edit. There's 300 and another one 300. You will know why I did this. Just a minute. Okay, now open it up to about this distance. Remove. Okay, so move. Oh, I don't know where my create. Okay, it's overlaid. Oh, okay, the reason is because I want to move this one, move to this place, right, to this place. Okay, so and I want to array this, right, to last. Click on last, and from here all the way to here. I don't know, here's the distance. This I don't know if the distance, okay, but let's just leave it this way. You get it? So if you put it at 3D, you will have two columns standing on a base. Okay, so now if you have this, I will create dimension. We'll create dimensions from here to here, 125. Lock it in place. Create another one here, from here to here, 115. Is not equal, but let's just continue. If you want, you can change the dimensions. Okay, lock in place. I locked this in place. Good. So if you have this locked in place, now select on this, create a parameter for your array. Let's say an instance parameter. Let's make it a for array, and click on OK. All right, this I would like to create another parameter, which is base. Let me call it base, B-A-S-E, and I want it to be an instance parameter too, and click on OK. This too. Nice. So I want a distance between this to this, is the distance between them should be applicable. So I want from here all the way to this place, which is about 595. All right, so 595 is okay, but not totally okay. It's like if you're going to array it, the distance will reduce. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So instead of from here to here, let's make it from here to this place, which is 450. So now go to this place. Here it's the parameter we created, this and this. Good. So we're going to create another new parameter, which is another instance parameter. Let's call it L for length of our base, which we just measured 450, and press on OK. Put on this length to be 450. Nice. So this array here, you're going to divide the base, which is 1200, divided by 450, which is base divided by length. Base divide by length, and click on OK. So 450 is small, but we can change the measurement. So if you move it, it increases in number continuously. If you move it, if you continuously move your base, the columns, the number of columns also increase in number. So that's why it's parametric. If you want a column, if you want to create a house that has a lot of that has a lot of columns, all you have to do is just reduce the size. You can drag it in or outwards. The minimum is 2. You can only put 2 at once, but nothing more than that. You can see you have a parametric column, a very nice parametric column. Very nice parametric column. The moment you drag the base and increase the distance, you will have another column added in continuously. It will continue adding. It's just simple maths, is nothing much. You'll just divide the length of the base divided by the distance, the length of the column plus the distance you want in between, which is 450, which is, we have our base to be 300 plus 150 intervals between, which is 450. Now we have this for our column. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful. So now you have a family, a standard family you can keep and use in several projects. I will definitely share this family we just created here. I will share this family. I don't know. This is here. I don't know why it's here. Maybe it's because I shifted it. I don't know. Wireframe. Yeah, I think it's because I'm dragging it outwards, so maybe the measurement changed a bit, but no problem. You can create a very simple base and you end up having very nice design. This is no problem at all. Okay, I will share this column if maybe you would like to experiment on it to see if you can create a very nice design with it. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Let's see sometime tomorrow for the next column, the next parametric column. This is parametric column number 1, which is horizontal, if I may say. Yeah, I think horizontal is the one. Horizontal parametric column, you can call it anything. So the moment you adjust the base, the number increases. Bye, let's see sometime tomorrow. Do like, subscribe and comment if you have any question. Bye for now. Thank you.